This is their band sawmill. It's a ride-along mill. Operator rides on this platform back and forth. "35 horsepower motor. All hurt. Ash on the skidway. Ash on the table. Popple here. Is that popple there then? I wonder. I can get popple and ash confused. That may be popple. Nice building they've got it in. Like to see it run. Alright, this is Orange County, Indiana, right out in the southern tip of Indiana. We're here for a work product to build a doggy house. You can just see the ridgepole over there. They're building a house for grandparents to live in so that the children can take over the big house. Alright, God bless.